Hello guys, welcome back to Simple Answers. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add multiple picture widgets to your iOS 14. As you can see right here on my screen, I have 3 pictures up. First, you're going to go into the App Store, and then you're going to download Widgetsmith, as you see right there. I've already downloaded it. You're going to download it, then you're going to click on Open. When you click on Open, you can see I have 3 pictures up already, and I'm going to show you how to do this. First, you'll go into Add Small Widget, and then you'll select Add a Photo. And then at the bottom of your screen, you will see it shows Select Photo. Right there. And you select a photo. You'll scroll down to where you see the option Photo, and you select that, and then select a photo. And then you can choose any photo from your photo galleries. And then you'll go back and press Save. Or you can rename the photo if you'd like, by simply clicking in the top right beside Cancel and Save. You can rename the photo. As you can see here, I'm showing you. After you have renamed it, you can just press Save, and that will be photo number 1. And then you go into photo number 2 now. You see the default widget, and you're going to press down on that picture, and then it normally comes up with a clock. And then, but you'll scroll down to the bottom to where you see Photo, then select Photo, and then you'll click Choose Photo and choose a photo from your gallery. And then you'll press Save, and then you'll go for number 3 if you want, depending on the amount of photo you want. As you can see here, it pops up showing the day and time, but you'll scroll down to the bottom and select Photo. You can also select custom text or so on if you'd like. Then you're going to save it. And you can use different size widgets also, So you can use the medium size widget also, and you can use a large widget. It's all up to you. As you can see here, when I select the large one, it will show the time, but you'll just scroll down to the bottom of the screen. And you can see numerous options, and then we'll just select Photo and add a photo if we like. And after you have done all of that, you'll simply go back to your home screen and then press down on whichever free space you have on the home screen. Let me delete these so you can see how I added them. By the way, to delete a widget, you'll simply press down on this free space on the home screen, and then just select Delete. But to add it now, you'll press down, then you'll go into Widgets and scroll down to the bottom, and there you can select the size widget you'd like after you have gone into Widgetsmith, as you can see right there. And then you'll press down on the widget, and you'll see the option to edit and choose the picture that you like. So I'll choose picture number 1 for that widget. Then I'll press down on the free space again on the home screen, search widgets, scroll down to the bottom, select Widgetsmith. Then I'm going to select another small one. Alright, yes, and I like that photo. If I didn't like that photo, I'll simply press down on the widget, and it's going to give me the option to edit, and then I could change the photo. And you'll continue doing that. I'll add a third photo. Let's add a medium size one. And you can see it right there, and when you're finished, you'll press Done, and that's it.